Hey guys, welcome back to G's Autos. My name is Greg, and on today's episode we are unboxing the brand new twin Webers and other goodies for my 4A GE conversion. Let's take a look. For those of you who are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. I've got a AE82 Corolla Seca that originally had the 4AC and the auto gearbox behind it. That's getting swapped out for a 4A GE small port and the 5-speed manual. Now what I'm doing is I've done away with all the fuel injection and I'm converting it to twin carbs. So I've purchased a brand new set of twin Webers and some other bits and pieces. So what I'm going to do is do the unboxing today and show you what I bought. Alright guys, let's take a look at item number one. Item number one is obviously the inlet manifold, Redline piece, this one. Redline sticker, thank you very much. Empty cardboard box, and we've got the inlet manifold. Nicely machined alloy piece, nice and light, really good. Alright, let's see what else we got. Box number two. The good box. Alright. Alright, so we've got the soft mount kit, just to reduce vibration and so forth. This one should be the fuel pressure gauge. I just wanted one to set up in the under the hood to make sure everything was good. Nice. I also purchased there was an adapter for that as well, so I thought I'd get that just in case I did need that. Throttle linkage kit. I got this as a complete set, so you could go through and buy the carbies individually, all these items individually, but Weber Performance had them as a full kit. So I thought it would be much easier, and it was cheaper purchasing it as a kit, which is great. That included the inlet manifold as well, all that was part of the kit. And I'm guessing this is the bit we've all been waiting for. Basically, the whole car is built around these twin carbs. I know that might sound crazy, but that's pretty much the deal. Let's take a look. This one should be the fuel pump. It is indeed. So that's the fuel pump. That's 2.5 to 4 psi, which is perfect for the twin Webbers. And that's got an inline fuel filter as well. So all that was part of the kit, which is fantastic. There are obviously other versions you can buy, other version fuel pumps you can buy, but they rated this one as part of their kit. So I thought, why not just get that as part of it? So that's all good. And just some other hoses and connections in there. So we'll have a good look at these when they eventually go onto the car. I'll just leave them in the plastic for now, so I'm not getting any crap into the bits and pieces. All right. Well, to be honest with you, it's starting to feel everything just got a little bit real. So there we go. That is the 40 DCOE Weber, brand spanking new. Looks beautiful. Let's take this one out of the... So I just took the standard setup. It just came with a standard configuration. You could email through a particular setup if you knew what you wanted. I'm just left it as per the standard setup, and then I'll get it, anything that needs changing, that'll get done when it's on the dyno. So there you go, guys. That's all the bits and pieces that I've bought. I'll lay it all out. I'll just leave the one carby sitting out. No need to unbox the second one. So we've got the twin carbs. We've got some pipe, hose pipe, fuel line and some other connections. We've got the soft mount kit. And we've also got the full linkage setup. We got that. What else have we got? I've got boxes everywhere. Fuel pressure adapter, fuel pressure gauge adapter. Fuel pump. Fuel pressure gauge. And of course we've got the inlet manifold. So there we go, guys. That's the full setup to put the twin carbs onto the 4AG small port. Stay tuned. I've got some other videos coming up, doing some work on that one, on Nigel, and I'm also doing some work on Trevor, the red AE82. So keep an eye out for those videos. Guys, thanks for stopping by. Please consider subscribing if you're new to the channel. For those of you who have already subscribed, thank you so much for your backing. I really do appreciate it. Thanks, guys. See ya.
It is all about me. Thank you very much.